My name is Molly Obomsawin.
I'm Issa Burke.
Hi, I'm Eleanor Buckland.
And we're Lula Wiles. We woke up in the lovely town of Northampton and immediately went to the parlor room to do a live audience radio performance.
And then we drove on up here, and it was indeed very cold. It's really, really cool to play in historic spaces that you can tell have been here for a very, very long time and have seen a lot of music and a lot of people. We played completely acoustic to an audience of very kind and appreciative people.
Yeah.
And everyone at Rock Farmer Records was so friendly and helpful.
I was really struck today by the warmth of the crowd and just how welcoming everybody was. And I think I speak for all of us in saying that we feel very akin to that because we all grew up in small towns in rural areas, right? So we grew up in rural Maine. So there's something really special about coming to a place like this, and yeah, the history of the meeting house and all. So there's like this great energy of the room with the audience and us, and then the past performers. So that was really wonderful.
There have been a lot of really great musicians who've come through to play this series. Some of our favorites, Matt Flinner Trio was just here, and they're amazing. And our dear friend Joe K. Walsh is about to come through with his trio, which consists of Eli West and Marielle Vandersteel, who are really incredible musicians as well. Clearly, Rock Farmer Records has great taste.
It's true. I'll just interject and say that during the move, Ellie stole all of my CDs except for I had 2 left in like a hidden corner of the car, and they were actually Eli West and Marielle Vandersteel's Hickory album.
Gosh.
So I've been listening to them nonstop.
working on a new railroad, but up to my knees. Working for Big John Henry, and he's so hard to please. Been all around this world. I'm working for Big John Henry, and he's so hard to please. Been all around this world. Been all around this world. Molly Algonquin.